Howdy, y'all. Today we're hanging out at the Garland. It is a Los Angeles area hotel that is really close to Universal Studios Hollywood. We're also giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. Entering to win is easy. Just leave a comment on this video letting us know if you have ever been to Universal Studios Hollywood before. When we reach 3,000 subscribers, we're gonna draw a random comment to win. The complete rules are linked down in the description. Good luck! Please make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications because we are going to actually tour the entire resort and all of its amenities in an upcoming video. And every new video you comment on is a new chance to win. With that out of the way, let's check out the room. We are in 256. And right off the bat, I already love this. I can see the amazing bathroom. We have hooks on the walls, lots of mirrors to get ready. Seriously, hooks. Make sure you have a spot for your purse, your backpack, your hats. There's even one here in the bathroom underneath this awesome wall art. Speaking of the bathroom, this place is awesome. The entire hotel is kind of stuck in a 1970s theme, and it really shows. The shower head does have a little bit of a massage feature on it, and you have more hooks inside the shower. Check out this hole in the glass. You can turn on the water without getting yourself soaked.
The bathroom has this translucent door, which means when you turn on the light, it means that you can't do it subtly and it's going to bring light into the room.
Minibar area is kind of nice. It does come with a Keurig and a fridge, but no freezer section. And yes, the goodies of course cost extra. Really like all the extra attention in the closet. Instead of sheets and things up here, which I thought, they actually have tote bags that you can buy right here in your hotel room. It also comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hangers. That's a hairdryer down inside of there, and a safe that's actually flat and opens up top. A little different than the other ways we've seen safes operate. I'm glad it's here. This room was so much fun. 4 cubbies and 4 drawers? For our family of 4, that's awesome. And I love how wide and deep the drawers are. I'm also really enjoying this desk area because there's room for 2, so I can put down my laptop here in one spot and Mrs. Teacups can take the other spot for all of our extra luggage. The laptop spot even comes with an HDMI cord connecting to the TV. Dimmer switches! I love dimmer switches. Bed area is nice and cozy. We even have a balcony, y'all. Honest to goodness, walk outside balcony. It's a decent size, too. It's nice to see the air conditioner with the controls on it, but in addition, there are also controls on the wall. Alright, let's go count the outlets. My favorite part of the tour. There are 2 right here in the bathroom. There's also 1 extra one here in the bar area. We shockingly have none down here by the bed. There also won't be one on the other side of the other bed. You do have them here in the middle though. On the lamp, you have a regular plug plus a USB here on the side, and on the other side of the lamp, there's another one. Here at the desk, you have a power station with 2 plugs and with 2 USBs on the front. And hiding underneath the desk here, you also have 2 more regular power outlets. We also saved a good bit of money on this hotel by booking it through Getaway today. Yep, we use them too. Make sure you call 855-GETAWAY and mention Ride the Teacups for an extra discount, or use our link that's down in the description. They can also get you your park tickets and everything else you need for your family trip. Thanks so much for hanging out with us at the Garland Hotel. We've got a couple other hotel stays that we really enjoyed and want to share those with you too. So make sure you click one of these links in order to see them. We love you guys. We'll see you next time we Ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.